Students will learn about the different types of farming techniques. Now, depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of the produce, labor, and level of technology, farming is divided into two main types. First is subsistence farming, and the second is commercial farming. Now we learn about the difference between subsistence farming and commercial farming on the basis of various parameters. The first parameter is the reason for cultivation or the main aim for farming. Now, subsistence farming is mainly done for fulfilling the needs of the family, that is for self-consumption, whereas commercial farming is done to sell the produce in the market, that is mainly for market. Second parameter is land holdings. In subsistence farming, the land holdings are small. Generally, they are smaller than 2 hectares. Whereas in commercial farming, the land holdings are large, generally larger than the 2 hectares. Then, according to the crop pattern, generally in subsistence farming, food grains and vegetables are grown. Whereas in commercial farming, cash crops and cereal crops are grown. Then, subsistence farming and commercial farming can also be differentiated on the basis of irrigation method used. In subsistence farming, generally farmer depends on rain for irrigating his field and uses primitive methods. Whereas in commercial farming, farmer uses modern methods of irrigation for irrigating his field like tube wells, canals, etc. Another parameter is on the basis of fertilizers used. In subsistence farming, generally farmers use manure and natural fertility of the soil for growing the crop. Whereas in commercial farming, farmers generally use chemical fertilizers for increasing the productivity in the fields. Then the next parameter is on the basis of mechanization and labor. In subsistence farming, generally hand tools, traditional tools are used by the family members. That is, the labor employed is the family members themselves. Whereas in commercial farming, generally large scale use of machine is there, like for example tractors, harvesters, threshers, and generally labor employed is a hired labor. So these were the differences between the subsistence farming and commercial farming.